Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete one page in PDF file. So the first step, you need to search for delete PDF page and you need to open the first website and click on select PDF file. So I'm going to select from my desktop. Wait for a few seconds so that it will open. So it have 4 pages and I want to remove the third one. Click on remove pages. And now I have the file with 3 pages, so you simply need to download, open folder, and let me show you. Now it have only 3 pages. So this is a process that you need to follow to delete one page in PDF file. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.